Morning, all of you. So today I will start the chapter second, named the emergence of Islam. Clear? Who is Prophet Muhammad? You know very well. So today I will discuss trade. What is trade? Trade means business. So the Arab conquered many parts of the world. The Arab conquered many parts of the world and spread the message of Muhammad Prophet. So this is a very important line. The Arab conquered many parts of the world and spread the message of Prophet Muhammad. They set up their empire in Asia. They set up their empire in Asia, Minor, Persia, North Africa, and Spain. They set up their empire in Asia, Persia, North Africa, and Spain. Clear? Trade and conquer led to economic prosperity, which is turn led to developments in various other fields. In the process, they also absorbed the best from other civilizations and culture. I will repeat again. Trade and conquest led to economic prosperity, which in turn led to developments in various other fields. In this process, they also observed the best. They also observed the best from other civilization and cultures. The Abbasids controlled the important trade routes linking the sea with the China and India. The Abbasids controlled the important trade routes linking the sea with China and India for about 700 years, until the discovery of the sea routes around Africa by the Europeans in the 15th century. Trade between Europe and the East was completely in the hands of the Arab. In 15th century, trade between Europe and the East was completely in the hands of Arabs. Standing at the meeting points of trade routes, Baghdad become a flourishing and a rich city. Baghdad, silk jewelry and species from the east, ivory from Africa, silk jewelry and species from the east, ivory from Africa, linen from Egypt, and fur and honey from Russia were some of the things traded by the Arabs. So now the next important thing, frankincense, myrrh. What is the meaning of frankincense, myrrh? An atomic gum, an aromatic gum, resin obtained from trees. The aromatic gum, resin obtained from trees. And date palm means khajur. Clear? Dates palms means khajur, were some of the products they traded in. The custom of slave trade was also widely prevalent among the Arabs. The custom of slave trade was also widely prevalent among the Arabs. Clear? Now the intellectual progress. The Arabs made significant contributions to the growth of astronomy. So what is the meaning of astronomy? The scientific study of space, stars and galaxies. The Arabs made significant contribution to the growth of astronomy, mathematics. Astronomy means the scientific study of star, space and galaxies. Astronomy, mathematics, chemistry, medicine and agriculture. They also introduced new style in architecture, literature, and poetry. They also introduced new style in architecture, literature, and poetry. The famous work of the Arabs are the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam. Omar Khayyam. So next thing, the Abbasids showed a remarkable capacity to learn from others. The Caliphs welcomed new ideas. Again, I will repeat this the important line. Now the next important thing, the Arab made significant contribution, intellectual progress. The Arab made significant contribution to the growth of astronomy. Astronomy means the scientific study of space and planets and galaxies, stars, like stars. So the growth of astronomy, mathematics, chemistry, medicine, and agriculture. You know, agriculture and medicine, chemistry, and mathematics. They also introduced new style in architecture, literature, and poetry. The famous works of the Arabs are the Rubaiyat of Omar Khayyam, so Shahnama by Al Firdausi. So you have to write fast. This is the very most important thing. Shahnama by Al Firdausi. Who has written Shahnama? Name Al Firdausi and the Arabian Nights. Clear? The Abbasids showed a remarkable capacity to learn from others. The Caliphs welcomed new ideas in Baghdad. Many work of literature were translated from Greek language, Chinese language, and Egyptian and Sanskrit into Arabic language. Now, the next most important thing, in Baghdad, many works of literature were translated from Greek, Chinese, Egyptian, and Sanskrit into Baghdad. They learned about the manufacturing of glass, paper, and used the mariner's compass from the Chinese, geometry from the Greeks, mathematics from the Indians. They also borrowed the decimal system and the concept of zero from Indians. The most important thing, they also borrowed the decimal system and the concept of zero from the Indians. They introduced the Indian system of numerals in Europe, thereby earning for themselves the phrase Arabic numerals. The word algebra, a branch of mathematics. What is the mean of algebra? A branch of mathematics. Clear? So the word algebra is also of Arabic origin. The use of the astrolabe for navigation is another example of their mathematical and scientific skills. Science made great headway under the Arabs. They discovered the causes of smallpox and tuberculosis. They discovered the causes of smallpox and tuberculosis. In the field of art and architecture, they developed the Arabic skew and style of ornamentation, which is a pattern of flowers, leaves, branches, and scroll work. The art of calligraphy was developed by them and was used very efficiently in decoration. For the flowers of Islam, the most important building is the mosque. Was for the followers of Islam, for the followers of the Islam, the most important building is the mosque. Their building had arched portals, onion-shaped domes, and decorative vaults. So